sound, one step with care. Not by guessing, not by chance, but through a structured learning path. One sound, one symbol, linked together every day, building confidence with every page. Listen, say, trace, write, blend, read, touch and say, look ahead. Learning grows one step at a time. We're building readers one sound at a time. Following the Woolman Sequence, a pathway designed. Multisensory learning, consistent every day. Mastery before speed, leading every child the way. 7 daily steps together, helping every learner grow. Listen and say, trace and write, blend and read, touch and say, look ahead. Look ahead. Play with confidence. Every lesson builds another, nothing taught before it's time. Follow the scope and sequence, every letter has its place. Simple patterns growing stronger, building fluency with grace. Teacher guides with steady practice, short routines that learners know. Repeat with purpose, celebrate progress, watch their confidence grow. Controlled words, controlled sentences, every page is carefully planned. Foundation first, expanding, decoding, step by step they understand. Assessment shows each victory, prompted practice, independent to every milestone tells a story. Every reader breaking through. We're building readers one sound at a time. Following the Woolman Sequence, a pathway designed. Structured, predictable, systematic and clear. Helping every learner believe, achieve, persevere. Mastery before speed, every child can shine. The Woolman Sound Sequence, building leaders one sound, one symbol at a time. Listen, say, trace, write, blend, read, touch and say, look ahead. One learner, one sound, one future at a time. The Woolman Sound Sequence.